Let's smash up pips. We gotta place these dominoes on this board, dude. Numbers tell you the sum of the section, and equal signs mean that those numbers have to be the same. So this not equal means that all 5 of these have to be different. And there's only 6 values that go on a domino, so that is somewhat interesting since they say 6, there's 7 values that can go on a domino. 0 included. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 18 is an interesting sum because all of these have to be 6s. I'm seeing that we have 5 6s though, so I don't know which ones are going to go in there. A 10 domino could be telling. Do these at least have to go sideways? Do we have any dominoes that add to 10? We have a double 5. So this could be double 5, or it could be a combination of 4 and 6. Okay. Do we have 2 5 6 dominoes? Is the question, because all of these purple ones need to be 6s. So if we were going to put sideways facing dominoes, it would have to be. Oh, it could be 5. It could be 6 6 and 4 6. Do we have a 4 6 domino? I see that we have a 6 6. Okay, we don't have that option. So this definitely has to be double 5 because we don't have 2 5 6 dominoes, and we don't have a 6 6 and a 4 6. So there's no way to put 2 6s in here with these facing sideways. So this is going to be the double 5 because we don't have a 4 6 to put in here either. And now, what does that do? So if this goes this way, this has to be a 6 1. Well, this definitely has to be a 1 and a 5. Can these go vertically, maybe, is the question. Oh, we have a green 0 section as well. And we only have 3 zeros. So 0 0 has to go either laying down here or facing up here. And do we have a 0 4 domino? No, 0 6. Interesting. So, yeah, so I think the way that this has to work, because we don't have a 0 4 domino, I can't put the double here. So I think the double has to go here. And then the only other 0 we have goes here, and it has to go up here. So we've used one of our 6s, so now we need the double 6 in here. I don't know if it has to be vertical in here, but we definitely need to use the double 6 in the 18. Do we have a 1 4? Maybe that'll be telling. We don't have a 1 4, we do have a 1 6. So this 1 has to go here for sure. And now this 4 has to connect with a number that's not 6 because we use 6 here. I really feel like this double 6 is going to go here, but it doesn't have to be true. Well, then this would absolutely have to go here. And nope, it doesn't work. The double 6 has to go there because where is it going to go if it doesn't go vertically? Because we need to use the double 6 as part of the 18 now because we only have one other 6, and I can't put it going into the pink or going into the orange, so it has to go there. All right. Okay, so now this is 4 and a number that's not 6. We only have one other double domino that could go in here, and that's the 4 4. All right, so this has to be a 2. We only have 2 2s. And then this has to be a number that's not 6. So this is either 2 1 or 2 5 going up here. But it definitely has to go up here, so now we need a number that's greater than 4 to go with a 3. We only have one of those. It's this. So that's... I flipped it the wrong way. Okay, that's going there. We've used our last 6. All right, 4 here, 2 here. And they have to be different numbers going in here. We got plenty of options. But these definitely have to go vertically, and then we're going to have this like weird little clump here. Okay, this has to be a 3. Could it be a 3 5? Do we have a 3 5? We don't have a 3 5. So this has to go 3 and then a number less than 4, which is a 3 1, because we only have 2 3s and one of them is a 4. So this absolutely goes here. And a 2 down here, 4 down here. So what can be the equal sign at this point? I think it just has to be the 4s, because it can't be 2s anymore. And 2s are the only number that we have 2 left of, but one of them has to go down here. Oh, we have 2 5s. We do have 2 5s. But this has to be a 5. Okay, so this has to be 4s. I don't know if it has to be double 4 yet. I think it probably does. Maybe no, I don't think that's forced at all. This has to be a 1 though. And I don't have a 1 5. I already talked about that. But the one that could go down here for sure. 1. Okay, well it can't go 1 2 and 5 2. I really feel like this is going to go up here. I'm just going to make this assumption for now. Can't go 1 2 and 5 2. So let's just say this is how this goes. This could probably go here. Yeah, I think this is working. 2 and a 1, and a 2 and a 5. Yeah, that works. Wait, what did I think this was a 2? So this has to go this way, and then this has to go this way. We've pipped, dude. We've successfully pipped. There it is. Thanks for watching. Catch you later.